Okay, let's see how to easily create an Excel file in the fastest way as we can. First of all, let's import operate the OS module, and then from Pi, let me see the documentation. Open Pi XL, open Pi like Python XL like XLS. We got to create a workbook. Let's create the label WB as workbook. This will open create our file with nothing in it. It's a new file, and then we have to create the worksheet that is that will use VB, that is our the label of the class that we just initialized. VB worksheet, sorry, will be active, and then we can write something into a cell like this with worksheet. We add WS and the number, the column, and um, and the row in the Excel worksheet, and the number. But the easiest way to create a table, in case you got to make a table as fast as you can with data that you got somewhere, is this for me. You just go and write us append, and you create a list here of numbers or everything you want. You can put here name and values, and here money, just something like that, and then you can append the different values, that is name Andrew values. I'm gonna put 10. Money, I'm gonna put 10,000, and so on. I can make something else, Jane, like 11 and 2,000, 12,000, and then we get to save our file with workbook dot save and the name of the file, file.xlsx, and let me copy this, and then let's see it, let's open it. And this is the fastest way you can create here your table with just data inside in a very fast way. And let's see what happens if we okay, import workbook. You should write here the class you need, and then you start the worksheet. Object is not called in active. Okay, we don't have to write this one. Takes 2 arguments. Okay, I forget here to put this thing into a list. And now here it is, our table with names, value, and money in the fastest way that you can do it with OpenPyXL and Python.